hello. We get my hands treated by these two. So, wanna intro it?
Yeah, intro it, mate. Go for it.
I'll
Draw a
intro
little
it.
star. Come on.
Well, I use my hands a lot. You know, I climb, I treat. You know, I do lots of pull-ups. No, I don't really.
No fighting?
No, no
Just
fighting.
love it, not a fighter.
Yeah, that's true.
So what, rock climbing though, that's where you
Yeah, look at the calluses.
calluses. Jeez.
Rough as.
Yeah, you need to do a bit of work on that, Nina.
Yeah.
Side hustle here, I reckon, all our manicures.
File them down.
Yeah.
Nails look pretty. Oh, no, skin, everything's
Do
pretty
you
cool.
chew your nails, mate?
Nah, I just nail clip them as soon as they grow. Just gotta make sure I look after my clients in case I stab them.
Yeah.
But yeah, so what do you reckon? Trade between all the little nooks and.
Yeah, mate, you got to tell us where you saw
I think these ones are the big
the
dogs.
thumbs. Yeah.
Those cane. I don't know how anyone can handle any pressure in that.
So yeah, what we're going to do is going to start working sort of into that nook and cranny there. So what I'm doing is I can feel down that index finger line, that bone there. So I'm going to go into that for a start. How's that feel, Maddie?
Yeah, good. Both are good.
Yeah. So we're not using any wax at the moment. So we're just trying to really engage with that tissue that's kind of bound up, scarred up a bit, and working down. So I'm just sort of creeping down along here towards that. So I can use my other finger to kind of exaggerate that a bit. So pulling back that way with that index finger there and then pushing down. So yeah, without the wax, it really helps you engage and be effective, which is the most important thing. So we're really trying to work that tissue that needs to be stretched. It's all kind of solidified and hard and things like that. Maddie does lots of gripping kind of things. So lots of forces go through the hands. Pretty incredible how you guys can grip onto all these little nooks and crannies, the ledges and stuff, and even just doing those pull-ups and stuff with fingers, it's just incredible.
Well, the hands are pretty complex, just like
Yeah.
the feet. You know, just all the bones and muscles, tendons, ligaments, whatever. You know, that requires those complex movements.
Yeah.
Yeah, both are doing decent in the hand.
Yeah.
I like what you're doing there. It's probably more at my pace.
Okay.
I'm going a bit hard on you.
I think you're just going in for the camera.
Yeah, we're going for results.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No messing about with you. No, you don't have spiders.
Yeah, that's it. Into that there. We might do another one. We'll go the other hand and try and get into that spot there. Like that. Just go right into that thumb line. So I can kind of,
Oh, Nina. Whoa.
I can work his thumb.
Yeah. Nina found a hot spot.
So yeah, I suppose what we're doing, people don't realise that you can actually work thumbs. So like deep tissue treatment is not just neck and shoulders and a bit of lower back and glutes. It's anywhere on the body where you've got connective tissue all over our body, and stress goes all through our body as well. So where these bits are loaded, it's sort of the tendons, the connective tissue, that's showing its weight bearing, force bearing. So it needs to, in order for it to be healthy, it needs to be squishy, you know, so it needs to be able to stretch and compress. So when it's solid, when it's resting, it's sort of, and there's pain when you push into it, that's kind of, we're identifying there's dysfunction, and it could be better. Even if it's not dysfunctional, it could be operating on a higher level. There you go, Maddie.
Cool, yeah. So, I don't think anyone's listening.
Talk to us, mate. Speak your mind.
Yeah, let me see. Yeah, shut up, mate.
You're ruining a video.
So, yeah, I've been doing some, what do you call it, crack climbing? Is that right, Leo?
Crag.
Crag?
Climbing the cracks.
Oh yeah, crack. I think it's
Crack.
crack.
What is that?
You'll sit later today.
Yes.
We've got an rock climbing. But you put your fist in there'll be like two gaps where you chuck your fist in and clench your fist, and that's what holds you inside the wall. I've been doing lots of that. I don't know if you can see any scars or anything on my right hand. Oh yeah, lots in the wrist and there from squeezing. The knuckles got a bit of
Where else do you want, man? Do you want it in here or you want the other side?
Maybe in between, like, those little bony spots. I don't know if your fingers are small enough.
So we've got all these triangular
Oh,
bits.
look at the nails on that.
Oh.
That's what hurt.
Nah, maybe, no. You can tell it's muscular.
So you can kind of just use a finger or a knuckle.
Yeah,
So
practice that.
I reckon finger, just going into these sort of spots.
Which is that?
Yeah, this one.
Can really help open up these.
It doesn't need kind of much.
Yeah.
Yeah, stab me with your finger, Nate.
Hey, bros.
Alright. Who's getting some instant referral? I guess it's the middle finger or something, or it's a referral just because it connects there. But
Yeah, I'll just go to the next one. So we just sort of do a bit of spot cleaning. So identify where things accumulate, and then we'll kind of go there and just see if we can work some stuff out. And I suppose by pushing in as well, if there's a pain response, it's kind of given us information as well. So yeah, pain doesn't necessarily mean bad. It's just information about how things are operating, and they could be operating better if they didn't have the gunk build up in there or the scarring built up over time.
all that gunk, okay.
Yeah, that's kind of what happens, and we're essentially cleaning the body.
So how that gunk get in my hands.
Yeah, people kind of identify with that word, I reckon. Gunk
Yeah.
builds up. We love kind of, Leah and I did this little project cleaning Aaron's old car, a couple of months ago, and just looked like it never had a detail in its life, and just the gunk that had built up, and kind of looking at where the gunk built up to. That was just a really kind of great exercise in that awareness of where things accumulate, and pulling things out and the seats out.
Are you lost with your health and fitness and don't know where to start? Are you feeling low on energy, uninspired, and even experiencing some pain? We want to tell you that you have the power to completely change the way you feel. And we're here to guide you every step of the way on your journey. You're not alone. We've helped thousands of people who have experienced the same things. From developing good habits to performing our signature deep tissue bodywork on yourself and learning how to exercise in a way that's optimal for your body. We're giving you everything that we've developed over the past 20 years to change your life in one easy to use app. If this resonates with you and you want change, join now to get lifetime access to our Fundamentals of Fitness online program. We're excited to have you on the journey.
Just have a quick ad break there. Like Leo's camera blew up, got a bit hot.
What was the ad?
I don't know.
We'll make it.
A Patreon ad?
Patreon ad, maybe for our fitness courses.
Yeah.
Buy our fitness courses, you'll be fit as fuck. But you got to do the work. That's the trick, isn't it? That's the adult thing we have to do. Take responsibility for our health, but we've got to do the work. We want to get the results. So you can follow along with us. It's full of comedy, but the best workouts in the world.
Yeah.
So yeah, buy our fitness course. Buy Fix It Yourself. Good stuff. There you go, there, young Matty. You might do a bit of
Yeah,
stuff like that to stretch things out, finish through your knuckles. Oh, just a finisher.
Whoa. Both sides in tandem.
Look at that. Looks good. Cameraman is impressed.
Yeah, someone uses their hands a lot. Is it nice? Just getting that movement,
Yeah.
bit of deep joint moves kind of thing.
I reckon this is your thumbnail.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
Try to get in there. But
Yeah. Put a face on, mate. That's it. Thummy. Thumbnail. It's important. Anyway, we'll wrap it up. If you do it, use your hands a lot, you're a tradie, you're a rock climber, or therapist, whatever it might be, yeah, don't neglect your hands. Give them some love, and deep tissue treatment, using no oil, not rubbing over the skin, just holding spots and just really slowly working things out makes a massive difference. So yeah, get your hand relief from us.
thumbs up.
We're done.